talking the other day with one of our friends, Mile. His name is
Miles.
Yeah, sure. Well, yeah. And we were talking about Wii remotes, and he said he preferred the Wii remote over the Xbox controller.
And I was like, that's so gay.
And so now we invented tons of like gay things, remote. So like
Gay.
it's like it's just so gay.
And there's like, it's just so gay.
It's just so.
And there's also it's just so gay.
And there's other things like it's just so gay.
Gay.
Like that. Perfect. So thank you for watching our short little
Bye.